This is Euro USD. We will be analyzing this market. Let's zoom our chart closer a bit. Over 1,000 pip. Let me break down this analysis. This is a downtrend. This was a total downtrend. This was a total downtrend before price change character, as you can see here. This is a change of character. At this point, the market no longer print another lower low again. It broke the recent lower high. Then it no longer create another lower low. Now, before it break this lower high, it has been breaking other lower high like this minor lower high. It broke it, then it broke another lower high again. So this was a complete change of character to the upside. After change of character, what do we do? So after this change of character, we are going to be drawing our what? We are going to be drawing our point of interest. So this should be our point of interest on a very discounted area. Should be our point of interest. This should be our point of interest because this also plays a pattern. I will display the pattern here. So this should be our point of interest. Let's wait for price to come tap our point of interest because now the market have changed character. We will be looking at to buy. So let's play price. Now the market get to this level, as you can see. We place our buy here. Remember we took this trade from our smaller time frame. So this was where our chart patterns plays in our 15-minute time frame. If you can go back to 15-minute time frame, you can observe it from the entry. So this was where our pattern play from 15 minutes time frame. This was where we observe our double top. Let's delete this our point of interest because we have already see what we want here. So let's delete it. Now this is where we have our double top, where we have our confirmation to trade.
If you watch this video to this point, that means this video is making sense to you. Please do it to subscribe to
Around
our
our
channel so
point
that
of
YouTube
interest,
will
we
notify
have
you
our
whenever we post
confirmation.
an
We see where
educational
price
video like
starts
this. And if you
giving
have any
us
question,
option
put
to
it down in the comment
buy.
section. I will
So
reply
this
to
was
you as
where we
soon as
pick our
possible.
trade from. So this was where we pick our option to buy from our 15-minute time frame, as you can see. So let's go to our 4 hours time frame so that we can see everything clearly. So this is our 4 hours time frame. See where we put our take profit, our initial take profit. So let's play price. As you can see, price got to our TP. This is over 1000 pip. This was over 1000 pip. So let's play price again for our second entry. This is another point of interest, our discounted area. If we should use our Fibonacci, this is a discounted area for us to trade. Fibonacci retracement. So this is our 78%. So this is where we'll be looking up to sell from our 78% on our Fibonacci retracement. Guys, if you are watching this video and you don't really know how to use Fibonacci, it's the right time for you to subscribe to our channel, so that as time goes on you are going to learn how to use Fibonacci retracement. And if at all there is any place you don't understand in this video, do well to notify us in the comment section. Let's draw our 75% as our point of interest. So this should be our point of interest. Let's see what the market will do around this price, then we enter our market. Let's play price. And as you can see, we are already in the market. So this was where we enter on our point of interest. On our lower time frame, you can see in that previous signal I sent to the group, you can see how we analyze and get to this point. Even in this video, you can see on our 78% Fibonacci retracement, this is where we enter as our point of interest on our 78% Fibonacci retracement. So that is where we put our point of interest, and as you can see, we are in the market already. Let's see how it goes, if it will hit our take profit or not. So yeah, full TP hit. So guys, this was how I was able to analyze this market from our 4 hours to our 15-minute time frame. If there is any part you don't understand in this video, do well to put it down in the comment section. I will do well to reply you as soon as possible. So guys, with that being said, take care.